What is up, ladder climbers? This is Antoine Wade, and in today's video, I will be talking to you about how you can go from a management information systems major to a software engineer. Welcome back to the Black Heights channel, where we talk about all things related to the skill development in the IT sector. Now, before we get to the video, do me a stone cold favor and stump that like button, as it helps us grow the channel. Okay guys, before we get started, I want to let you know about the main topics that I will be touching on in this video. First, we're going to talk about soft skills. Second, we're going to be talking about taking coding courses in university. Third, internships. Fourth, applying for jobs. Fifth, interviewing. And sixth, accepting the offer. Now, let's get to the video. All right, guys, let's start with number one, soft skills. You know, I constantly talk about soft skills, and I always talk about the importance of communication skills. And I always go back to being able to communicate effectively. A lot of times when you're in IT or you're in a management information systems major or a program, you're going to be digesting a lot of technical information. And a lot of the times you are going to explain it in a long-winded approach. In order for you to sharpen your communication skills, you just need to be able to summarize complex topics in a concise, crisp way. And the way to do that is to read a complex article, summarize it in 2 paragraphs or less, and to communicate that to a friend. That will help you build your communication skills. That will help you be able to communicate effectively. All right, guys, at number 2 is taking coding classes in university. So when you're in your management information systems program, you're going to have the option to take quite a bit of courses, from your business courses to some electives. And it is appropriate for you to put yourself into coding courses. So if your university is offering coding classes in the computer science department as electives, take those courses, because it's going to help you build your technical skills and teach you how to code. So guys, make sure that you enroll into a coding course, at least one or multiple. I did multiple when I was in school, and it really helped me. I learned VB.net as well as C# and a little bit of C++. But this will help you become a better programmer, to help you become a software engineer. All right, guys, at number 3 is the importance of internships. When I was a junior, I was working at a store called Menards. It was a hardware store, had nothing to do with my major. I had to work in order for me to put myself through school. So as a junior, I knew I needed to have some sort of IT related work experience. So what I did going into the summer of my senior year, after I finished my junior year, was to do an unpaid internship. I applied for paid internships, but I did not get those roles. So what I had to do was get creative and to do an unpaid internship doing some web development for a small business. This gave me an opportunity to build my resume to show that I actually had experience, but to also have references, so that when employers would call, they would have somebody to call to that would actually vouch for me. And this led me to getting a job in a IT department my senior year before I graduated, doing help desk work. So guys, it is important for you to do an internship while you're at university, at least one. You should be shooting for at least 2 to 3. And I would start as early as your freshman year, trying to gain some experience if you know you want to go the route of a software engineer or the route of a security analyst, or whatever route you want to go into. Try to do internships. And number 4 is applying for jobs. Guys, when I was looking for jobs, I applied for just about every single job I saw in the IT department. They were software engineer jobs, they were developer jobs, there's web development jobs, there are CIO jobs as well. Now, I didn't get called back for any of the jobs that I wasn't qualified for. So my advice to you is to make sure that you qualify for the job that you are applying to. It is more difficult now to find a job, especially online, because of the analytics, because of the algorithms. And if you don't have the right skill sets, you're not going to be able to get to the person who's actually recruiting for the job. So make sure that you actually have the skills for the job, and you should be applying for many jobs over the time while you're in university. And at number 5, it is interviewing. Guys, you have to learn how to master the interview. And there's many ways that you can do it, but what I would say first is when you do get an interview, make sure that 1, you're on time, and 2, you have your haircut and you're looking nice. Those are the fundamental things that you need to do when you have an interview. You want to look sharp, you want to be sharp. Also, at the same time, you want to make sure you are on time so you don't get disqualified. And if you want to know more about the interview process, I will leave a link in the description of this video to teach you a little bit more about interview techniques and interview etiquette. And last but not least is accepting a job offer. During my senior year, I had an opportunity to stay on at the IT department doing help desk work, but I got another offer for 2 other companies to be a software engineer that was paying me even more. And the job that I accepted was a job that was actually closer to me. I didn't have to move, and it was the perfect fit because I felt the organization and the culture that I was going to be walking into was a perfect fit for me. And I stayed at that job for 9 years. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor and leave me a comment on which of these points that you have used and how it went. Also, if you like this sort of content, do me another favor and hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to be alerted when I drop that new content. And until next time, y'all, peace.